To reinstall the new seal, you want to make sure that the spring side is facing away from the cartridge, and then press that straight on. That's it. Repeat for the other two. Now that we've installed our new oil seals, we can put the cartridges back in. You want to lubricate this outer O-ring and the seal itself, and then twist and push it on until it bottoms out. Repeat for the other two. You want to be careful not to roll the lip of that seal over and pop the spring off of it. That's why you lubricated it and twist it as you put it on. Put the slinger rings back on. Inspect these O-rings and backup rings for any damage and replace if necessary. Put a little oil on those before we reinstall the plungers. Want to twist and push them straight on. And then use a medium strength Loctite and reinstall the plunger nuts and torque them between 115 and 120 inch-pounds. Wipe off any excess Loctite that's left over, and we can begin reassembling the head.